Okay, now another question that came to one or two questions that comes to our mind when seeing this is, one is, how do we set the background color to a button or any text view? Because there's no such option within the method itself. Just as we have a set text color, we cannot set a color state list to a background. So for that we'll need to create a similar XML file within the drawable folder. So we'll just create a new folder and we'll say drawable. So again we'll do the same work. We'll create a new XML, name it as, say, my new color, and again we'll have the selector tag. Then we'll again add item as before, Android state pressed true, and we can say Android. In case we'll take this up as a drawable, so we'll say @color, say pressed color, pressed underscore color. We don't have any such variable, we'll just create in a moment. So this is one item. Then we can have another, Android state, say pressed false, and we'll say Android drawable @color / not pressed underscore color. So we'll just put this in this way. So as you can see, errors are coming because we don't have any resource color named as pressed or not pressed. So I'll go to my values file, create two colors, add color, name this as pressed underscore color. Let us put this as blue, and we have another which is not pressed underscore color, and let us say this as a green hash. So we have declared a file not in the color folder, rather in the drawable folder, and instead of Android color we got Android drawable. So this refers to a color that we have just declared within the values file. So we'll go back to the XML layout, first layout, and apply this to the let's say to the button. Android background @drawable, and then we have my new color. So this is how we can create a state color list for any UI component. So we'll just see how we can run this in the emulator. As you can see, this is our button. Now on press it goes to blue. Default is green. On press the color is blue. So just check up whether this was the one we had declared. Pressed is blue and not pressed is green. So absolutely right. Pressed is blue and normal is green. So this is how we can declare values for background or any other color, any other state of the property of the UI component. So similarly we can we have another resources we can read from assets. We have another folder that we'll create within the resource folder called raw. Now raw is one folder which, even though it resides within the resource folder, all the files that are within the raw folder, they are added to the final application as such, raw. So they'll be in the same format of file which will go to your application exactly in the same manner as you have added to the raw folder. So we'll at a later stage see how we can read from assets, how we can read from raw folder.